Can you come over here? Come here, look, I'm videoing you. Let me see your face. Let me see. Come here and look at the camera. Look. I'm videoing you. See? Look, I'm gonna go in through the door. Follow me. Follow me. I'm going in the door. Follow me. Come on. You gotta follow me in. You gotta come in. Come on. Come in with me. Look, I have the TV. You're not getting inside. That way. Hello. Where are you going? Are you gonna go around the other side to the other door? Oh, maybe that's it. You're being sneaky. You know how to go through that door.
You have to clear these guys, so keep going straight until you pass what's over here. You can't see it right now, but I'm standing by, and then the sun.